Hello guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle for today. I've already solved two puzzles in this edition of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, Saturday, April the 30th, 2022. I've done two puzzles, Sudoku with 3 stars, the binary, and now it's time for the Tectonic number 4485. 4485. Before start, I always count up 20 digits. Well, this one has 13 20 digits. Should be an easy one because all the hard ones has 8, 9, 10, 11 20 digits. This one 13. So I don't know if this is really a 4 stars, but for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here single box. Single box always a 1. Then following question, dual boxes. Do we have dual boxes in this puzzle? Yes. Dual box contains the 1 and 2. Let me mark those. I do not know in which order. Here also a dual box, 1 and a 2. Do not know in which order. Triple boxes then. I see here 1 triple box. When you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, this is the middle box. The box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Okay. So 2 boxes remain. The 1 and the 2. Do not know in which order, so let me mark those. Okay. Quarter boxes. Do we have quarter boxes here? Yeah, I see here quarter box contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4, but I cannot fill those numbers. Here also, well, I see here a 1, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. The 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. Then I cannot continue. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, I have here the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape upside down, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Yeah, the same figure or shape, L shape. This box has the same name as that box. Then the following shape, how about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. And that box has the same name as this box. So that box is the same name as this box. Okay. Here another T shape. This box has the same name as that box, and that box has the same name as this box. So in this case, it's the 1 or a 2. But it cannot be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. Double 1. I've marked those 2 boxes with 1. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be definitely a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this dual box for the number 1. Okay. T shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. This box has the same name as that box. Alright. And those are this. Oh, overlook this T shape. We have 3 of them. This box has the same name as that box. And that box has the same name as this box. And oh, overlook this L shape. 3 L shapes. This box has the same name as that box. And so in this case, it's a 1. Okay. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have 3 shapes that you need to recognize. There are more. I believe there are 6, maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Okay. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. Alright. 2 numbers left in this L shape for numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Let me mark those 3 and a 5. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Okay, these 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. Okay. Then these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. And this box is connected with that box. So 1 and a 3. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Then let me see. Well, I think this box cannot be a 3 because if I place a 3 here, these 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. So that box should be a 3. But I see here another 3. And I need a 3 in this W area shape. So not a solution to place a 3 there. This should be a 1. And this box is connected with that box should be so a 1. 1 box left in this quarter box for number 3. Okay. Then this box can be a 3. So the 3 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 3 to 4. Okay. 1 digit left in this T-shaped area for number 5. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. Then this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. And I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes here. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 3. Okay. Yeah. This box, I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can it be 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be a 1, should be a 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely 2. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 1, 2, 3, and a 4. 3 and a 4. Let me mark those. So 3 and a 4, 3 and 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and 4. But we already have a 4 here, so it cannot be a 4 anymore. Should be a 3. Oh, wait. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. One box left in this area for number 4. Then these two boxes can be 3. These two boxes can be a 1. So 3 and 1 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 1, 3 and 1. This box is connected with that box, so we also 3 and a 1. Two numbers left in this L shape for numbers 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. This box should be a 1. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 1. One box left in this L-shaped area for number 3. Two boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 5. Then, I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. I think. Let me see. These two boxes can be 2. These two boxes can be a 1. So the 2 and 1 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 1, 2 and 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Two numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then. Let me think. Wait. Yeah. All right. Okay then. I'm analyzing. Oh wait. So this box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So one box left for the 1 should be here. This box should be sure for the 4 and 5. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 4 anymore, because if I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So definitely a 5, this box. Okay. Then. Let me see. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that box can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. And I need a 2 in this T-shaped area. So this box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. And that box can be a 2. So one box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Let me mark those, 4 and 5. Alright. Now we have a 2 here. So this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers, 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Let me mark those. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Okay. 4 and a 5. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated 1, so the 1 goes here. And I've eliminated 4, so the 4 goes here. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. Alright, 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 4. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 3. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 3. Alright. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. And I've eliminated a 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. Finished in 60 minutes. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow with the rest of the puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.